Hello my friends, I am so happy because Tom Ford released brand new Soleil Summer Collection 2025, and it's a pretty big collection. I have for you to see today brand new eyeshadow palette, and then not one, not two, not five, not 10, 11 brand new lip products. Oh yeah, I will swatch for you, I will try, and of course I'm gonna create a fabulous look with this palette. I don't know where to start, but let's start with brand new Tom Ford Soleil Lip Balm. $45. Beautiful colors. Let me show you them very close. I will swatch for you, and then I will show you every single color on my lips. I have for you 6 beautiful lip balm. They are 24-hour hydration, dewy finish, immediately give you hydration and visibly plump your lip look. It's a sheer formula. They not intense colors. One more time, they pretty sheer. And this formula, multi-purpose lip formula, can be worn on its own or is a balm. You can use this under your any lipstick is your primer. Very hydrating, very pretty colors. I have 6 colors for you. We're gonna start with color number 1, then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When I'm looking these colors right now, first color to me it's pink, then it's a beautiful orangey pink, then nice coral, then I'll say red, soft, red color, not intense, then it's a light pinky mauve, and last color it's more berry color. But let's swatch these colors because they can be really different on my hand. First color, number 1. Very pretty, beautiful, soft pink color. Color number 2. Definitely it's a soft orange color. This lip balm have a pretty nice pigment. Wow, look at this number 3. This is very nice pigmented color. I will not say they are sheer. They have a very nice pigment. Next color, it's number 4. Color number 4, it is beautiful red, orangey, or we'll say more brick orange undertone lip balm. Color number 5 looks like a beautiful nude color with pinky undertone. And last color in this collection, it's number 6. Oh yes, this is very rich color. I will say it's a beautiful berry color. One more time, let's look at these colors. Very subtle, very pretty. We have bright colors here, we have soft colors here, we have nude, we have pink, we have orange, we have everything here. This is Ultra Shine Lip Colors. I have 4 colors for you. They are new, $62. It's a medium to full coverage lipstick. Really hydrating. I would say it's a lipstick and lip balm together. First color, it's number 38. Can you see how rich and creamy this color? Oh yes, such a beautiful formula. Color number 40. Number 39, pink buff. Last color, number 41. Oh wow, it's a rich red color. Let me show you all these 4 colors together. It's beautiful, very creamy, very rich formula, so hydrating. Oh my God, these colors, so good. Let me show you also this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I feel I need to put together myself on my space, and then I will swatch all these lip colors on my lips. Let me show you this eyeshadow palette really close. This is its number 1 bronze eyeshadow. We have with you here 2 matte color and we have 2 shimmer color. Definitely this is, I will say, summer color. Oh, believe me or not, I would love to use this palette for fall too. Definitely very warm undertone colors here. Let me show you these colors really close. First color, it's a beautiful beige yellowy undertone matte finish. Then I have a beautiful brown with reddish undertone matte color. Number 3, beautiful bronzy color with more reddish undertone. And last color, it's, I will say, coppery orange color. Very pretty, beautiful colors for summer. I'm gonna create very easy and quick eye makeup look today. First, I apply on entire my eyelid eyeshadow primer from my color Painterly. It's gonna minimize my darkness, and now I know my eyeshadow gonna stay all day long. And I'm using Trish McAvoy blending blush. It's a cream blending brush. Next, I have a big blending brush from Trish McAvoy, and we're gonna use the lightest color in this palette. Ooh, it's a pretty pigment here. And I'm gonna set my eyeshadow primer. I apply on the entire my eyelid this, I will say, neutral with yellow undertone color. First color, it's done, and it looks really settled and it sits perfect on my eyelid. Now I clean my brush, same brush, and I'm gonna use this, I will say, coppery red undertone eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply on my lower lid right here, and I'm gonna push this color up. I'm using big blending brush because if I'm gonna use a flat brush like this, color will go intense. I want my color look soft and natural. Again, my lower lid, and I push in this color little bit up. Now it's time for me to use a color number 3. I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy blending brush number 30. And yes, Trish McAvoy, hold on a second, because I'm gonna show you. She sent to my home. She don't ask me to show. She don't tell me like, can you do review? She just sent to me. She sent me a brush set and beautiful makeup set. But you know, she know I love Trish McAvoy products. If you are looking for amazing brushes, if you come to Nordstrom to me, I will show you right away Trish McAvoy brushes because they are amazing. By the way, some of this collection, it's not yet available online, but please DM me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and I will send to you from my store Nordstrom in Tampa. Yes, I'm still Nordstrom beauty stylist, and of course free shipping, and I will put a nice beautiful gift for you. Okay, let's add this darker color right here in the corner of my eyes, and you know what, let's make this eye look really sexy. This is my Nordstrom personal card. I'm gonna apply underneath. And now I'm gonna add this dark color right here in the corner of my crease, and I'm pushing this color little bit up. What it does, it's gonna give me this little bit sharp edge, and it's gonna give me this little bit sexiness. Can you see this? Time to use a last color, and this color I'm gonna use with a flat brush. This is from Trish McAvoy cream brush, number 66. I apply this beautiful gold bronze color, and I'm gonna apply this color right here on the center of my eyelid, and I pushing this color a little bit up, and also add also in a corner. Can you see this? It's give me a nice beautiful shine, nice beautiful pop. Oh yeah, hello summer. Next step, I apply liquid eyeliner from Tom Ford very close to my lashes, and then I'm gonna apply mascara, and we're all done. Time to add mascara from Lancome, and this is its Hypnose Drama. Oh yeah, we need drama today. Wow, look at my lashes, girls. This mascara from Lancome, it's insane. Again, it's Hypnose Drama. And for my bottom, I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy Mascara Arabian Night, and it's a beautiful bright blue mascara, and it's a tubing mascara. When you're gonna wash your eyes, you need to use warm water, and then this mascara will come out like a little tubes. I fill in a little bit my eyebrows. Let's remove this mascara. It's gone, and I look a little bit pale. I'm gonna add a little bit blush, bronze, and then finally I'm gonna show you all these lip products on my lips. I promise. This is my Tom Ford Illuminating Compact Cream Formula. I'm gonna apply just a little bit right here, close to my hairline, underneath. Bronze make a huge difference. It's definitely give me this extra pop. You look more healthy, sexy, perfect for summer or any day. And for my cheek, I'm gonna use Tom Ford blush. It's a duo blush. We have two colors here, one neutral and another beautiful, I will say peachy coral color. I need a little pop. I'm gonna show you all the 6 lip balms on my lips. Remember, they're $45. When I swatch, I actually can see pretty good amount of color, but I'm very interested as this lip formula gonna look sheer on me, or it's still gonna give me a nice beautiful color. Let's try number 1. Very soft pink color. Sorry, my lips really dry, and this product is perfect for my lips. It's a soft baby pink color. This is how I describe number 1. This is color number 2. Beautiful soft peachy with little bit orange undertone color. Ooh, I love this color. It's go well with my makeup, and I really like this formula. Feels so good on my lips, not sticky, feels creamy, and I like it's no perfume, it's no taste, it feels very luxurious. Here it's number 2 color. Color number 3, it's a beautiful soft red color. If you're looking for a red lipstick but you don't want to have intense red, you will like this color, and again this is color go really good with my makeup. And yeah, it's number color 3, it's right here. I swatch for you this lip balm first in a regular daylight. Now it's already pretty late. I'm recording this video. This is why I'm swatching for you on my hand too. Color number 4, and girls, oh my god, it's my favorite color. You know why? Because it looks very expensive. I will describe this color. It's a soft brick red color, but it's not a rich color. Again, it's a beautiful, gorgeous color. I really like this color. It's right here Ooh la la, and believe me not, when I look all these colors, I'm like, I'm not sure if I like this color, but now when I try on my lips, oh my god, gorgeous. Color number 5, it is beautiful, but I knew I have hundreds lipstick just like this. Soft, nude, little bit pinky undertone. This is probably will be my everyday lip colors. If you don't know what color to choose, probably I will recommend number 5. It is pretty. I like it. It's not go with my makeup today, but it's a beautiful color. I'll say for fall. And now I'm gonna show you 4 brand new lip color, and this is it's Tom Ford Ultra Shine Lip Color, $62. Difference between this and this, it is big difference. Here it's a sheer lip balm, and this is, I will say, it's a lipstick and lip balm together. Way more creamy and rich formula, and you can see packaging, it's different. First color 38. Very creamy. Have little bit taste. Beautiful, soft peach color. And let me swatch for you color 38. Ooh, can you see this richness? Color number 40. This is color number 40. Beautiful, soft, peachy, pinky color. Color 38, and this is very unique color. I will describe coral pink. Wow, color 41. Wow, color 41. I'm smiling, I'm happy, I feel so sexy right now. It is red color, but it's a soft red color. Oh my god, formula so good. And finally, I'm gonna show you last lip product. This is it's a small, tiny sparkle lip balm, 02 Sun Park. It's so tiny and it's a sparkles. Girls, don't be disappointed. When you're gonna purchase this lipstick, it is gonna sparkles all over this lipstick, but inside it's just lip balm. Let me show you this product really close. And I already use this lip product a lot, and you can see right here it sparkles. It's supposed to be sparkles on top, but because I used, it's already go on, and inside it's no sparkles. It's pretty sheer lip balm. Let me swatch for you. I want you to see. Can you see? Again, it's 02. It's not much color here. It's pretty sheer. It is very pretty, soft, neutral with little bit peachy undertone lip color. For $35, a little bit a lot. I hope you have a good time with me today. Absolutely in love with this eyeshadow. Very good quality, nothing falling down. Eyeshadow true to your color. Gorgeous, beautiful colors for summer and fall. I will just suggest add a green or blue mascara on the bottom for fun, and these lip products choose these beautiful formulas to die. You want lip balm? It's good. You want lipstick balm? It's amazing. Quality, texture, and this little tiny products, it's just not for me. But if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, I am going to Japan. I'm going to Japan, and I may not will be able to record 1 or 2 videos, but don't worry about. I will bump my YouTube with bunch of shorts from Japan. Love you more than ice cream one more time, and I will see you soon.